guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I've been blow drying my hair. This is my favorite way to style my hair. It's so quick, so easy, and I'm not a professional in any way whatsoever. I didn't go to school for beauty or hair or anything like that, so hair is definitely not my strong suit. So if I can do it, you can do it. I thought I'd walk you through this step by step. I'm going to share all of the products that I use when I get out of the shower, how I maintain my blonde hair, and how I get a at-home blowout. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. So I have my hair in this like towel turban. This is from Poosh, Kourtney Kardashian's brand. I forgot the brand of the towel itself, but normally when I do this, I don't do my makeup first. I just do it right when I'm out of the shower. I might have to re-wet some parts of my head just because it might have dried in this towel. I'm just gonna take it out of the towel and see what we're working with. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my wide tooth comb and just run this through my hair. I got this at Sally's like, I don't know, 10 years ago. I do have side extensions. I have 3 pieces on this side and then 3 more on this side just to fill in the hair. And we added more length this time, so it goes a little shorter in the back and then longer up front. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my comb and create a part down the center. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the products that I will put in my hair after the shower while it's wet. On the regular, just use these 3. Sometimes I'll add in something or take something out. But first I'll go into the Redken Diamond Oil. This is my favorite hair oil. It's great for blonde hair because it doesn't tint the hair. I've tried like Moroccan oil and stuff like that, or any kind of like argan oil, and that can actually make your hair a little brassy if it's so icy blonde. So I'm gonna go in with about 4 pumps of this. It's very, very thin, so it's not like a thick oil that will weigh down your hair. So I'm just going to feather this in the hair lightly. And then I'm gonna go into the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. I hate the way that this comes out. It's like impossible to get this product out. So what I do is I actually take the cap off completely. I squeeze it up to the top and then I grab what I need. So I only use about this much, barely any, and I just rub it into my palms, and I do the same thing. I just kind of feather it through the hair, through the ends. I'm avoiding my scalp, and I'm paying extra attention to these front pieces and any like broken areas. So like these pieces, the front pieces, just so they've got some extra love. And then the last thing that I put in my hair is the Pureology 21 Benefits Color Fanatic Multitasking Hair Beautifier. Basically, this is so good for your hair. It does a lot of really good things, makes my hair feel really soft. It actually feels like incredibly soft today. I didn't do anything different in the shower or anything, but it just feels like really soft today. Might be because I let it air dry in that towel. I don't know. I'm gonna spray this throughout the hair on the ends. And then I'm just going to comb it through. Make sure it's evenly distributed. And now I'll go in with my blow dryer. This is the Dyson blow dryer. I got this, I think last year, and it's been my favorite tool to blow dry my hair. It dries it so incredibly fast. It's not that intensely loud. It's got so much force without completely frying off my hair. I know obviously letting this air dry is probably the best, but sometimes you just want a nice good blowout. I should have cleaned my brush, but I didn't. I'm using a very old T3 brush that's got loads of my hair and my niece's hair in here, but basically I just do like a rough dry all over my head first with the Dyson. And then I'll go in with my T3 round brush and just start pulling at some pieces. I don't focus too much of this right at the base just because, again, I have those extensions and I don't want them to melt or anything, and I also don't want to be pulling on my hair too much. So if there's ever a spot that is just a little stubborn and a little wavy and isn't going as straight as I would like it, I'll go in and focus mainly on that spot and really pull that straight. Sometimes, like, say I sleep on my hair tonight and then I wake up tomorrow and it's a little wavy and I still want it to be straight, instead of going with a flat iron, I'll go in with a blow dryer and do this exact same thing on my dry hair, and it will straighten it. It's pretty cool. I just do that all over my hair. I feel like the bangs are the hardest. I try to position the blow dryer so that it's blowing the air in the direction that I want the hair to go. I know that sounds like, duh, why aren't you doing that? But sometimes when you're right-handed or left-handed or whatever, it's kind of hard to get in those positions. So that's just kind of something that I try to think about while I'm blowing my hair out. So I like my ends to curl under and have a little bit of body. So especially because these front pieces are just my extensions, I will just focus the heat on my round brush and curl it under. I probably wouldn't do this so intensely if this was my natural hair right up front, just because I wouldn't want to fry my ends, but this isn't my hair right here, so I don't care. And then for the back, I pretty much don't really do much to the back just because I don't see it, I don't care. It's probably gonna look fine, and if it doesn't, I also don't care, but I just kind of rough dry the back. And then what I like to do for a little bit of body up top is I'll section off the crown of my head and then put the round brush at the base of the root and pull that straight up with the blow dryer so it gives me some lift and volume right at the root. I'll also do the same thing to the top part of my head so that gets a little bit of lift right at the part as well. Yeah, once pretty much everything is straight the way that I like it, I'll just rough dry the rest. I don't like going in with a flat iron a lot of the time just because it becomes so sleek and straight, and I like the body that a blowout gives. So I just kind of like rough dry the rest so it stays nice and voluminous. But I think that's it. I don't really put anything on my hair after it's dry. I just don't feel like it needs anything. Sometimes if the top has gone a little flat, I'll go in with the IGK 30,000 feet. That is like a powder spray, and I'll just lift up this top section like this, spray the powder here, and then go like this, kind of like scratch my scalp, and it will lift up that area and give me some grit and some volume right at the top. But I don't feel like I need that today. It's looking pretty voluminous, and I'm happy with it. I'm just gonna go through and just comb through it so everything is nice and sleek. Yeah, that's it for this video. That is how I blow dry my hair, give myself an at-home blowout. I know this isn't like a voluminous old Hollywood blowout sort of thing, but this is just my current blow dry routine, and I love it. This is my favorite way to style my hair right now, actually. I think especially because the last time I went and got my hair done, we went longer in the front. I just like this whole look. I don't know, it's a vibe and I like it. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're at all curious about what I ask for when I go to the salon, how I maintain the color, all that kind of stuff, I have a hair playlist. I'll link right up here, and I'll also link those specific videos down below in the description box because I've gone to the salon a few different times and recorded it for YouTube. So if you want to know what I ask for, all that kind of stuff, I have videos all on that, and I have videos on how I maintain my hair and keep it icy and healthy. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I hope this video was somewhat helpful. Please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.